Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Kusini Drink Fountain for parties. There are features include: serve more, refill less. With a modern design and large capacity, Kusini's 3-tier drink fountain dispenser holds up to 1.5 gallons of your favorite beverages. The set includes 6 reusable 4 ounces cups, suitable for a variety of beverages. A glamorous alternative to a punch bowl. Use it as a mimosa tower, soda fountain, or cocktail cascade. Compatible with juices, sparkling drinks, and more. A must-have for any party host or event planner. 2-setting LED lighted base. The base features LED lights with 2 settings for either stationary or blinking lights. The lights illuminate the entire drink fountain to dazzle your guests at any gathering. Perfect for every festive occasion. Whether you're hosting a wedding or baby shower, anniversary or birthday party, or holiday celebration, this drink tower creates a fun, festive mood your guests will love. Easy to use, store and clean. Removable tiers make the drink fountain easy to clean and practical to store. Assembly takes under 2 minutes. Once each tier is in place, just press the button and watch the fun begin to flow. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.